to visit extended channel. This class is a 22. I'm continuing to introduce Extenics. I'm still using my new book, Extenics Logic of Innovation, to introduce this step by step about the Chinese original method for innovation. Every time I have class, I will repeat again what is Extenics, extension theory, extension innovation method, and extension engineering forms a new science named Extenics. It is an original Chinese new science discipline which studies the possibility of extending things, rules, and methodology of developing innovation with formalized pattern for resolving contradiction problem. Every time we talk about the nature of innovation, I start from solving contradiction. It is a fourth step of the innovation extension innovation method. It is the step 3, transformation. And the first we call the substitution transformation. The first basic transformation method named substitution. It is to use the basic element to explain it, such as replace objects, include things, action, relationship, characteristics, or value that could solving contradiction problem. Simply, it is to replace something with another thing, to replace some feature to another feature, and also from value to another value. It's like the 3 elements in the basic element. An old saying that the mountain does not turn, that the road turns. If the road does not turn, people turn. Even though people do not turn, mind could turn. When the external environment cannot be changed, the mind change, that you will suddenly become bright. That is why the transformation is very important to solve different problems, whatever you meet. And for application in terms of product innovation, its material, crops, components, function, brands, system structure, etc. can also be replaced and then to make a new product. In terms of business strategy, transforming the old band into the new band can expand the product sales. Classical example is Mitsubishi Electronics abandoned of its founding name National and replaced the global unified brand to Panasonic, small young at that time. The substitution transformation therefore could improve its brand value and competitiveness, while strengthen its name awareness. Another Chinese example, Professor Truman every time will quote is Chou Chong raised the elephant. Use this story to raise elephant to describe the substitution transformation using basic element. Here, if you have the scale, can only rate 100 kilogram. And if we like to rate the elephant at more than 100 kilogram, and we cannot kill the elephant and separate, it is an incompatible issue and we find contradiction. In this diagram, you can see, this elephant can substitute by the stone, can solve the problem, and also we use the intermediate abroad. In this table, we expand this transformation using the basic element. Elephant, you can see elephant rate is gram, balance scalar 100 kilometer is a matter element, but the rate, it is the action. Action is the affair element. Dominant object is the elephant, and tools use the same balance. When we use the substitution is before transformation and after transformation, we change elephant to stone. It's a substitution. So we say elephant replaces into stone and the bro acting as the intermediary. It can be extended the way to Lewis and which solve the incompatible problem. It is a very traditional Chinese story to use the substitution transformation. So today I'm stopping here and use the Professor Troyman's photo as the conclusion. Let us establish this Chinese original new science, extend it, and using it to achieve a culture of innovation. Thank you for your attention. See you in next class. Bye.